Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix the annoying black screen or loading error on Instagram Reels. First, let's clear out a corrupted app cache. Open your iPhone settings, tap General, and select iPhone storage. Find Instagram, tap on it, and click Offload App. Confirm the prompt, wait a couple of seconds, and then click Reinstall App. This downloads a clean copy of the application without wiping your private drafts or account info. Once it's reinstalled, open Instagram, go to your profile, and open your settings menu. Scroll down, locate media quality, and make sure use less mobile data is completely toggled off. When this is left on, it can heavily throttle and break video rendering. If Reels are still black, your network configuration is bottlenecking the server connection. Go back to your iPhone settings, tap General, scroll to the bottom, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and let your phone reboot. Launch Instagram, and your Reels feed will load flawlessly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.